Hey guys, welcome to this other unboxing and first impressions. I have here the Insta 360 AI tracker. This is new. It has been released not too long ago as an accessory for the gimbal. It only works on the Flow 2 Pro, the way it connects to that specific gimbal compared to the original one, unfortunately. But what this allows you to do basically is to add an extra layer of tracking to any app that you use, so you're not stuck to use just the Insta 360 app. You can use this with all the apps and it's going to make the tracking much more effective. One of the use cases that I'll probably test out in this video or next video is how when you would use any other app besides the Insta 360 app, like I use the Final Cut camera app, and you put it around your face, sometimes it would lower the camera to just show like your whole body and not just your face. So hopefully this fixes that issue and other issues that comes with fast movements and stuff outside the Insta 360 app. It also allows Android phones to connect with better tracking as well, since I think some features were only iOS limited before. So this is how the packaging looks like. Go around to give you an idea of how to use it and what it is. Insta 360 AI tracker, some language there. So yeah, so let's open it up. I didn't bring scissors. I should have brought scissors. Okay, good. Okay. Let's open this. Okay. Inside. Okay. What else is in here? There's some instructions on how to use different languages. Look at that later. Nothing else in the box. Put that on the side. So this, let's open it up. How do you open this? So you just pop it in the front. Okay. Another packaging here. There you go. This is also a spotlight, by the way. So you have like a 2-in-1 functionality. You have the sensor here for better tracking, and you get the 3 colors, the same mode flashlight as the normal spotlight accessory. So it's like, kind of like a 2-in-1 thing. So this is the reason why you can't attach it to the original one. The way they curved it here makes it that you can't really attach it to anything else besides the Flow 2 Pro. Alright. Let's take this out. There you go. Just making sure it focuses. Alright. So there you go. This is how it looks like. So you get a good look at it. So you have the buttons on top. So there you go. So you get this one, the temperature, and this one, the brightness. So I think there's 3 colors and 3 levels of brightness. And also, quick tip, if you press and hold this, the brightness one, you can turn on and off the light while it's still connected to your gimbal. So fun fact, I just wanted to do a small unboxing here, just to show you guys. And yeah, we'll test it out, and I'll give you my thoughts in another video. Alright, thanks guys. Peace.